My bush is recreational. You may enjoy sips from the well by my bush, it'll get you drunk. My bush is a sport, and you may call my bush Tim Bush because you will be a running back for more. My bush is a musical force in a rhythmic way. You can call her Bushwick Bill. My hair, my armpit hair, my bush, green. Curtains match the drapes. My armpit hair, my bush, a dynamic duo. Bush Girl and Robin, the Green Dyke. Fighting and stomping on society's convention of beauty, time and time again. My bush is so much more. It is an enchanted forest, and these hedges are not overgrown. You do not need to bushwhack this shit. My bush is a political force. Throw a W in front of it and make my bush the president. My bush is of biblical proportions. Burn my bush and call me God. Yes.